bitandukanye. Uyu munsi si uw'ibyishimo gusa kuri mwe ndetse n'imiryango yanyu, kuko mwahesheje ishema kaminuza, ariko kandi mwanahesheje ishema igihugu cyose. Guverinoma ibiteze umusanzu ukomeye mu gukomeza guteza imbere u Rwanda, kandi turabifuriza ishya n'ihirwe mu buzima bwo hanze y'ishuri no mu mirimo itandukanye, yaba iyo musanzwe mukora cyangwa se iyo muzakomeza kwikorera ndetse mukanakorera igihugu cyacu. Uyu munsi nk'uyu kandi uba ari umwanya mwiza wo gushimira abarezi, abarimu, ababyeyi, abavandimwe, abafasha, inshuti n'abandi bose baba baragize uruhare mu myigire y'abanyeshuri barangije amasomo yabo. Mwarakoze kubafasha kugera ku nzozi zabo z'uyu munsi. Ishuri ni igice kimwe kinini cy'ubuzima, rifungura imiryango y'ubuzima bwisumbuyeho, bitoroshye gufunguza ubundi bufunguzo. Icyo tubifuriza ni ugukoresha ibyo mwize hano mu guhindura byinshi igihugu ndetse n'imiryango yacu ibategerejeho. Tuzabamenyera kuri byinshi byiza muzatugezaho, kandi turabifuriza gukomeza kuyoborwa n'Imana muri byose.
That's of the one who created you. God bless you and congratulations. Physically speaking, this event is called graduation ceremony. But else, this is a day of victory. To our dear graduates, you deserve a thunder of applause. To the left. I think you can clap for yourself.
Yes, another round of applause for everyone who has done something here. That's what now, please. Round of applause. Yes, thank you so much. You now look great and different.
For each of you, bachelor's in science, technology, the all rights, and the business is actually congratulations.
Mr. Chancellor Sir,
in accounting, finance, management, human resource, and project management. Thank you.
Dear Chancellor Sir, I now take this honor and pleasure to present to you 104 candidates who have successfully completed their requirements for the Masters of Business Administration with a specialization of finance, accounting, project management, human resource, and management. I'll start by the accounting major. We had one candidate who graduated with satisfaction. The following is his name, Tambwe Manakula Richard. Finance major, we had 24 candidates, where 18 were able to graduate with 18 with distinction, while 6 were able to complete with satisfaction. The following are the names of those candidates who completed with distinction. Habumugisha Janga, Shimana Olivier, Sangwa Ivan, Kudabajensi Gad, Wishema Rolak, Ronzi Soku Bienve Esther, Tumsalile Angelique, Yakunda Jory, Kaitesi Uwismana Noela, Mukamwensi Clemente, Winesa Jocelyn, Milimo Silvasa Alex, Manila Mona Jean Paul, Keshimana Natasha, Umutoni Ines Didine, Ikuse Alice, Mukangenzi Jenny, Lugei Ndaye Jablonen, Yalemi Dennis. The foreign candidates were able to complete satisfaction. Yalemi Dennis, Abimana Gabo Barili, Bujiko Olivier, Zaisega Jean Bosco, Shimana Jean Gabo, and Umwiza Usampunda. The following candidates, 44, were able to complete the requirements of project management, where 7 candidates graduated completed with one distinction, 31 with the distinction, and 6 with satisfaction. I begin with the candidates with the grand distinction. Ankwase Agri, Massegasho Joseph, Moses Vigeni, Kunda Mfula Kaliga Pieri, and Sukuyamisa Kulanesa Nasli Omluji Ali. The following candidates, but one candidates competing with the distinction. The following are their names: Akitenele Ali, Itiamleme Umuberi Ali, Aliane Ukeshimana, Asnan Nyamjisha, Bakramsa Jofens, Billy Joshua, Kalisa Lodge, Shoes of Happy Cynthia, Flaha Adeli, Vijema Gloria, Inesa Oroli, Ilajena Emabli, Kalisa Jack, Kaliwabo Manilibo, Manila Jena Anesti, Masengesho Celestine, Baba Seli Jaez, Pavimana Samson, Mujawayezu Peace, Salimana Josiane, Dalibaje Donathan, Gila Patrick, Patience Uwela, Rosine Ilabakiza, Tuizuche Katemisara, Shirubumu Elia, Umugwaneza Emile, Umuhoza Wase Claudine, Uchitwamo Evans, Uwanyiju Alice and Wikunda Jayes. The following candidates competed with satisfaction: Ishimwe Olivier, Kanyana Solange, Mshimana Diane, Kulumziza Fidel, Inaomuntu Jen, Lwebuka Golena Ali. The following seven candidates competed with human resource major, where one candidate competed with the grand distinction, and 7 with the distinction, plus 1 with satisfaction. I start with the one with the grand distinction, Nelsa Marcelin Esther, Alida Gloria Yabakose with the distinction, Igabile Ali, Yahua Gilbert, Jabo Jean Mali, Kayunga Jen, Babas Agnes, and Musa Abdul. The last candidate got satisfaction, that is Umimana Kirea. 3 candidates for management major, where 2 candidates competed with distinction and 1 with satisfaction. I start with the distinction: Ayush Lawat, Bajina Ismail, and Umararugu Angelique. I present degrees, Masters of Administration with specialization, be conferred upon them.
Thank you. Upon the authority vested in me by the Awoka Charter and the Education Law in Rwanda, I confer upon each of you the degree of Masters in Business Administration with all rights and privileges that are pertinent to it. Congratulations. You may now turn your tassels to the left.
Of educational administration, and 15 are from curriculum, teaching, and supervision. I start with educational administration major, where 5 candidates, they all were able to complete with distinction. I start with Ihire Josiane, Munezero Alice, Shiliman Gilbert, Nyinamatabaro Emares, and Singomana Emmanuel. The following candidates are from curriculum, teaching, and supervision. They are 15, where 3 completed with grand distinction, 11 with distinction, and 1 candidate with satisfaction. I start with distinction: Mugeni Marie Alice, followed by Tingura Boas, and Munyabujigo Gaston. The 2 candidates are with distinction: Sigenio Raban, Tugenganayo Theogene, Nionjla Ejid, Kayemba Joe, Tirenganya Enoch, Ilabuha Christine, Irafasha Fabrice, Adeline Lakunda, Ihire Josiane, and Akanyana Akaliza Diane. And the last candidate completed with satisfaction, Ranzo Faida Acheng. Chancellor, sir, I request that the Masters of Education with 2 specializations, Education Administration, Curriculum, Teaching and Supervision, be conferred upon them.
Thank you. Upon the authority.
Please, thank you. Honorable State Minister and our guest of honor, Mr. Chancellor, all protocol observed. I'm very happy to appreciate the accreditation of this new program. We have a new program accredited, and the first batch is graduating today in big data analytics. This is a unique program in this country where we combine data science, statistics, and computer to enhance research in this country. With this, I request the director of this program to present the candidates. Thank you.
Waitale Democratica Giselle Maxime. I request the Chancellor, sir, that the degree of Master of Science in Big Data Analytics be conferred upon you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Upon the authority vested in me by the AOKA Charter in Education Law in Rwanda, I confer upon each of you the degree of Masters in Education with all rights and privileges that are pertinent to it. Congratulations.
In the name of heaven. Amen. Ababyeyi, kamera amaso ababyeyi mbere yuko tuvuga. Ababyeyi mwakoze kuza, nabwiraga abanyeshuri nti noneho ntabwo dushidikanya kuko amazina yasomwe banditse muri iki gitabo, ariko kandi gasaba Imana nikinga ngo amazina yabo yari ku gitabo cyo kwishura. Yes, now as we happy, we rejoicing, we celebrating, we need to keep this on.
Seventh-day Adventist Church here in Rwanda. He's also the chairman of our council. So if you would mind putting your hands together to welcome
Guest of honor, church leaders, our council, distinguished guests, dear graduates, ladies and gentlemen, I'm deeply honored to speak to you on this beautiful occasion. Academically speaking, this event is called graduation ceremony. But else, this is a day of victory. To our dear graduates, you deserve a thunder of applause. I hereby recommend that the audience clap for the achievement. This day is a day of joy. And next to your hard-working determination, along semesters and semesters of sleepless nights, journey. Thanks to the leadership of this university for all it has invested for your safety. To the faculty and staff, please enjoy the fruits of your daily sweets for the balanced education that you have offered this youth for prosperity. Many thanks to the government of Rwanda for all the measures set for the education of our youth, and more specifically for the security all over. A reason for all of us to be here for celebration. Honorable guests of honor, distinguished guests, graduation is a concept that seems to be familiar to many, but it is also dynamic. On the other hand, we normally come for graduation on yearly basis. One may think it is a routine activity, but sincerely speaking, it is not. The graduation ceremony revolves around a number of dynamic implications. That is why I have expressed a word of thanks to many. Graduation is dynamic just because it is celebrated upon a series of lectures, assignments, a consistent exams, and all dissertations that consume energy of lecturers and students. We have just come here to salute all this effort from various actors, which Destiny said, I quote, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. And another lady from India, Mother Teresa, said, I quote, I can do things you cannot. You can do things I cannot. Together we can do great things. Now that God has provided everything necessary for your success, and that all other lectures, like you lecturers, have played their part, it is up to you, dear graduates, to play the next part. Community out there are waiting for your intellectual contribution. But this is not enough to save them. Remember, there is a French, François Rabelais, a French writer, said, science sa conscience n'est que lui de l'âme. We would love to see you with the all moral values, along with your other ability at your work. Not only will you succeeded in your career, but also that will constantly represent the university that offered the maximum for your success. I want to see that. Where you go, let this university be known by some other people, and be proud to be graduated from this university. Moreover, I do encourage you to further your studies. Don't think that you have completed. Think about going further. Many years ago, people used to think that with this level you attend today, studies were completed. It's not the case. But today, we live in the world that pursues the smallest and the biggest possible, mostly in technology. I wish you could also explore that world to position yourselves in the generation to come. I hope with this level of yours today, you start feeling more and more confidence to serve our communities. With this same confidence, you can upgrade your level, and definitely you will be feeling and fitting the society with more confidence than you feel today. To sum up, I wish you all the best as you embark to a new journey. Once again, thanks to all active actors that played a role to this end. May God bless you in abundance as we celebrate today. Congratulations. Sorry, I want to invite my boss, Dr. Tikaro. He's coming from Nairobi to represent Dr. Nguri. Let me invite him to give you some words of wisdom. Thank you.
Guest of honor, Honorable Minister of State for Education, Rwanda Union President and Council Chair, the Vice Chancellor of AUCA, esteemed faculty, guests, proudly families, most importantly, our undergraduate students, graduates who are gathered here today, the class of 2024. All of us congratulates you. Hallelujah. It is an honor and privilege to stand before you today on behalf of the Chancellor of this great University of AUCA. Dr. Blasius Ruguri sends his greetings and love to all of you as we gather to celebrate your incredible accomplishments and the new chapters you are about to begin. Today marks not just the completion of your academic journey, but the beginning of a new phase of life, where you will take the value and principles instilled in you here and carry them into the world. AUCA has always been committed to the development of not only brilliant scholars, but individuals of character, individuals who are prepared to read with the integrity, with the compassion, with the purpose. The values of excellence, service, and the community has always been at the core of this institution. You are now to carry these values with you into your careers, your families, and your communities. And therefore, I charge you, as you leave this university, I charge you to live out the values that you have received at this university. Trust and determination should be in you. I charge you to light the world, not because it is easy, but because it is needed. The world is waiting for influence of yours. I believe you are ready to lead with the character, with the excellence, with a heart for service. I know that this university will always be proud of you. You are the product of 40 years of history, tradition, and vision of this university. As you move forward, you carry the legacy of this university with you. And in turn, you are creating a new legacy of those who will follow you, who will follow your footsteps. As I end, let me wish you these blessings. May God bless each one of you. May you find the strength to persevere, the faith to trust in God, and the courage to be determined in all whatever you will do. And may God be with you always. May you shine as a light in the world, reflecting the love and the grace of the one who created you. God bless you and congratulations.
Ningependa kwifatanya namwe muda mugari wa AUCA mu kwizihiza uyu munsi w'ibirori byo gutanga impamyabushobozi ku nshuro ya 30 muri kaminuza ya Awka. Nagira ngo dufate akanya ku nshuro ya 30. By'umwihariko nagira ngo nshimire abatakiri abanyeshuri 576 barangije amasomo yabo uyu munsi. Akaba ari nabo baduteranyirije hano kugira ngo dufatanye kwishimira umusaruro bagezeho. Turabashimira umwete n'imbaraga mwagaragaje mu myigire yanyu mukaba mugeze ku rwego rwo guhabwa impamyabushobozi mu byiciro bitandukanye. Uyu munsi si uw'ibyishimo gusa kuri mwe ndetse n'imiryango yanyu, kuko mwahesheje ishema kaminuza, ariko kandi mwanahesheje ishema igihugu cyose. Guverinoma ibiteze umusanzu ukomeye mu gukomeza guteza imbere u Rwanda, kandi turabifuriza ishya n'ihirwe mu buzima bwo hanze y'ishuri no mu mirimo itandukanye, yaba iyo musanzwe mukora cyangwa se iyo muzakomeza kwikorera ndetse mukanakorera igihugu cyacu. Uyu munsi nk'uyu kandi uba ari umwanya mwiza wo gushimira abarezi, abarimu, ababyeyi, abavandimwe, abafasha, inshuti n'abandi bose baba baragize uruhare mu myigire y'abanyeshuri barangije amasomo yabo. Mwarakoze kubafasha kugera ku nzozi zabo z'uyu munsi. Ishuri ni igice kimwe kinini cy'ubuzima, rifungura imiryango y'ubuzima bwisumbuyeho, bitoroshye gufunguza ubundi bufunguzo. Icyo tubifuriza ni ugukoresha ibyo mwize hano mu guhindura byinshi igihugu ndetse n'imiryango yacu ibategerejeho. Tuzabamenyera kuri byinshi byiza muzatugezaho, kandi turabifuriza gukomeza kuyoborwa n'Imana muri byose.
That's
30th graduation ceremony of the Adventist University of Central Africa. 30th graduation. Let that sink in for a moment. 30th graduation. It is a testament to the university's enduring commitment to academic excellence, and I'm honored to be here to celebrate this milestone with all of you. Over the past 3 decades, the Adventist University of South Africa has made remarkable progress, transforming itself into an institution recognized for its high standards in education. We commend your efforts and dedication to advancing quality education and fostering a learning environment that prepares students for the future. To our 576 graduates, congratulations on that. Today is a celebration of your hard work, resilience, and commitment. You are the reason we're gathered here, and we're immensely proud of your achievements. Your accomplishments today results from years of 3 or 4 or 5 years of determination and perseverance. The success we celebrate is a reflection of the dedication you have shown to reach this important stage in your life, and I commend each of you for reaching this milestone. I am confident that the university has provided you not only with the knowledge and skills, but also with the values that will guide you forward. And as you step into the next phase of your lives, we look forward to your contributions in addressing the most pressing challenges that face our communities and nations. We have every confidence that wherever life takes you, you will lead with vision, integrity, purpose, and discipline. Distinguished guests, this graduation ceremony is not only a proud moment for our graduates, but also for the entire AUCA community, the administration, faculty, staff, and all partners involved. Your commitment to providing a supportive learning environment for students is truly commendable. You have helped create a nurturing space where students are encouraged to explore, learn, and excel, and this day is a testament to your dedication. To the parents, guardians, and families of our graduates, we all adapt our gratitude to you. Your unwavering moral, emotional, and just our financial support has enabled these men and women to reach this day. To the faculty, the journey of each graduate would not have been what it is today without the guidance, instruction, and mentorship. Thank you very much. My gratitude also extends to the administration and management of the university. Thank you for all that you do. Dear graduates, as you step out these doors today, go be great. Take care of yourselves, minds and bodies. Continue to invest in yourselves, for you cannot give what you don't have. And God knows we all expect much from you. Your journey here has equipped you with the knowledge, skills, and the values that will guide you as you venture into the world. Embrace these values, for they will serve as a foundation upon which you build a life of purpose and impact. And as our motto says, go light the world. And may God be with you always. Mwanyimerera mubwire mu Kinyarwanda. Ababyeyi batumirwa mwese ndetse namwe mutakiri abanyeshuri mwitabiriye uyu muhango.
After this gift, we are going to have the induction to the Alumni Association. You will make the AUCA community. Even if you graduate, you are part and parcel of this institution. Abana banyu bati ntabwo twagenda tudahaye kaminuza tugize icyo turico tudahaye Imana. Ntabwo tuzi ikigo ni iki. Ariko nibaza kuburenganzira turakimenya. Let us give you the floor to tell us, and then the officials will come and receive the gift.
Chancellor San, a master's and a graduate with an undergraduate combined. We said it that we are very grateful to the university, and now we brought this gift as a sign that we remain here, that we are grateful and we do appreciate what the university did to us. If you accept, sir, I will request you that you receive the gift on behalf of all graduates.
You go one direction, they go one direction.
Simply, I will say this. about this gifts, we thought of something that will serve our young brothers. We know that the university wants to go. Yeah. This is among the university that leads in technology. So we thought of a gift that will help the university. That will help the university in the whole process.
It's a smart TV. What else? It's the latest one. We want to see.
This is our creation. To receive this gift. This gift has a meaning for us as head of this institution. Where you will be going, we remember.
Yes.
There is a time when you will be coming to this campus and you will see this gift. And you can talk to anybody that, oh, I participated in that. Thank you so much. I want you guys to continue to be in this university where you will be going. Please, you are ambassadors of this university. Some other universities, you know what they are doing. They have a network. When you have a chance to get a job, you look to somebody who graduated in that university. You speak on his behalf. Do that. And this will make us feel so good and happy. Some universities, they can be big, but they started when they were too small. And having you representing this university is something that we feel is going to build up the image of this university. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. It's hard we're not able to open it, but it is something good. That is what I believe. Please respect that.
You know what's in here? Okay, I will tell you. So this is a digital 75-inch screen. It will be used in classrooms. If you want to test if your apps are responsive, you want to see if your PowerPoint presentations are good. You want to actually revise your process. So we want to contribute to our doing. We want to put our brick on the house. And for our future graduates, students, they will be using it for their educations. And once more, we are happy to have us here. And as an undergraduate, I'm coming.